Example number 8. An auto rickshaw fare starts at 25 and remains the same for the initial 2 kilometer. So what I understood is 25 rupees they will charge us, and this 25 will remain same for first 2 kilometer, initial 2 kilometer. So I will write auto fare for first 2 kilometer is 25 rupees. Then it increases by 15 per kilometer. Now I will write auto fare for next kilometer is 15 rupees. After 2 kilometer, the auto fare for the next kilometer is 15 rupees. What will be the fare for the travel of 10 kilometer? So we have to find fare for 10 kilometer will be how much? First of all, 25 rupees is fixed, right? You have to pay this much. First kilometer, then also 25, second kilometer, then also 25. So this is a fixed amount. Plus, then you have to pay 15 rupees per kilometer. So 15 rupees I have to pay for 1 kilometer. Okay, this is the fare to be paid. Suppose you are traveling 25 rupees is to be paid for first 2 kilometer, and then 15 to be paid for suppose next 2 kilometer. This is a fare for 3 kilometer. How can I say? This is 2 kilometer, 25 rupees, and this 1 kilometer extra 15 rupees. So 2 plus 1, 3 kilometer. Here first 2 kilometer, 25, and then next 2 kilometer you have to pay 15. So 2 plus 2, this is the answer for 4 kilometer. Looking at the situation, I can make the equation as 25 plus 15 extra, and you should write n minus 2. Why n minus 2? Where n is equal to kilometer traveled. How many kilometer you traveled? You write here. Where n is equal to kilometer traveled, also the value of n must be greater than or equal to 2. Why we are writing this condition? Because first 2 kilometer 25 fix. Okay. So this n should be equal to 2 or greater than 2. You cannot write smaller than 2. Okay. Let me calculate. You want to find the fare for 10 kilometer. So now this is the fare for 10 kilometer. Suppose I find fare for 10 kilometer is this much. So 25 rupees to I have to pay plus 15 rupees extra for each kilometer. N, how much I will take? They have told to find 10 kilometer. N is 10 kilometer minus 2. Where we are subtracting 2 kilometer because the 2 kilometer charge is already fixed na? Here. So here again you cannot take 10. If you take directly 10, then this is 10 kilometer plus 2 kilometer in the beginning. So it becomes 12 kilometer. Understood? N is 10 kilometer, but I am subtracting 2 because first 2 kilometer amount is fixed. Next, 25 plus 15, 10 minus 2 is 8. 25 plus 15 8s are 120. 120 plus 25 is 145 rupees. So this is a fare for first 10 kilometer. You just imagine rough work I am doing here, that suppose for 2 kilometers we have to pay 25 rupees. Now your journey is 10 kilometer. Out of that, 2 kilometer is complete. How much remains? 8 kilometer remains. Now you have to pay 8 kilometer multiply by 15 rupees extra. 15 8s are 120. Make a total, it will be 145 rupees. Okay, so first 2 kilometer amount is fixed. So first 2 kilometer here amount 25 rupees is fixed. Rest you have to calculate only 8 kilometer. If I keep 10 and don't do -2, then you are supposed to calculate 10 whole, 10 kilometer plus 2 in the beginning. It will become 12 kilometer. Understood? So if you want that we should calculate only remaining 8, you have to subtract 10 -2. क्यों माइनस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में 2 किलोमीटर का पैसा हम ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं 25। अब जो 10 किलोमीटर है उसमें से 2 किलोमीटर का हम यहाँ ले चुके हैं, रिमेनिंग 8 किलोमीटर का ही हमें पैसा लेना चाहिए ना। इसीलिए जो भी 10 किलोमीटर दिया उसमें से 2 माइनस कर दिया, 8 किलोमीटर बचा, 15 8 सा 120 और स्टार्टिंग का 25 रुपया फिक्स है। द आंसर इज 145 रुपीज।